Hey My Rhapsody Fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, and in today's video, as the title reads, I am going to create this eye makeup look using this red and white V.I.Purple eyeshadow palette. This is very versatile eyeshadow palette. I am going to create more looks using this palette on my Instagram channel. So if you are not following me over there, then please do, because I will create so many eyeshadow. I also create many makeup look for my Instagram fam. So please join me over there. And with that being said, let's get started. I have done my skincare routine and already prepped up my skin for this makeup, so make sure that you do that too. And for as my transition shade, I am going to use this mauvey brown shade, and make sure that you are taking just a little bit and not more, because this is very pigmented palette. You don't want to ruin your makeup, so make sure that you're using just a little bit. Go very light-handedly and make sure that you remove the extra by tapping. There was still a lot, I did that, but there was still a lot. So yes, tapping, and make sure that you also do here, so that you do not ruin your eyes. And what I'm going to do, make sure that you are holding your brush right here, from right here, because that way you will apply very light pressure on your eyes, because you don't want to ruin your eyes. And now I'm going to do my transition with this, and I'm going very light-handedly. I'm using a fluffy brush. Now to do my crease, I am using this warmer shade of brown, removing the extra, and going to apply this on my crease very light-handedly. Now for my lid, I am going to use this purple shade right here from the palette, and I am going to use this finger. You can use also this finger, index finger or your ring finger. And I think the shimmery shades works best with your fingers, but if you apply with your brush, then it will not give you the exact intensity that you want. But yes, if you apply your finger with your finger, then definitely you will get an intensity. And I'm going to apply this just over my lid. Okay, this shimmery purple color is not very pigmented like the other ones. So you have to kind of build it, because it's really difficult, I think, to get the exact intensity. But it's a very beautiful purple shade, but not very intense like the other one in the palette. So I'm taking it quite a lot again and again to get the perfect intensity I want. Now I am going to again take this warmer shade, remove the excess, and going to apply this on my outer V just to intensify it a little bit more. And to intensify my outer V, I'm going to dip my brush into this darker brown shade right here, just a very little bit. I'm going to again remove the excess right here, and I'm going to intensify my outer V very light-handedly. Now off camera, I'm going to do my rest of the makeup, and we'll complete this eye makeup look after that, so please keep on watching. So I have done my base makeup, and I'm using this warm brown shade right here. I'm going to tap the excess, and I'm going to apply this all over my lower lash line. Now once done, I'm going to add this shade, dark brown shade right here. I'm going to apply it just very closer to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm going to make a small wing. Now I will put on some mascara. And that's it all about this eye makeup look using Wet n Wild V.I.Purple palette, guys. The only thing that I wish, if this purple shade would have been a little darker, then go thing for this purple palette. But all the colors are pretty good and versatile. This mini palette with 10-12 looks is still very versatile. I think it has 10 or 12 shades, but it is a very versatile makeup palette, eye makeup palette. And I am going to create more eye makeup looks using this V.I.Purple palette. So if you are interested, then you have to follow me on my Instagram, because whatever look I am going to create using this palette will be live on my Instagram. So make sure that you are following me, and if you are not, then you are definitely missing on some great content. And with this, it's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up, and also leave down any comments if you have. And please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I am on YouTube. And this is me, Priyanka, signing off. I love you all. Take care and bye bye.